I am Sawyer Jackson with a new segment that we are going to be introducing to the campus weather forecast. Going to be the Weather Why, where I come in or someone else comes in to explain why a specific weather event happened. Now, first, we are going to focus on something that happened really 2 weeks ago, January 22nd, where we got some freezing rain moving through. Looking at these totals, we only saw about a tenth of an inch or less across all of mid Missouri, except for that section down to the south of I 44 that was seeing more of 0.25 inches or possibly greater. So, although these amounts might not seem like much, you might remember that the story was a bit different when it came to impacts. Dangerous travel conditions with cars slipping and sliding, school closings, of course, across all of mid Missouri, and most notably, the University of Missouri going online for the day. So maybe you enjoyed a PJ day there, but you might be wondering why this specifically happened. And we'll get right into that right now. So, the setup for freezing rain. The rain falling throughout the upper parts of the atmosphere is going to be above freezing. So, of course, it isn't really going to be experiencing that freezing until it hits the surface. Right at the surface, we'll notice those temperatures be below freezing. And because of these temperatures being below freezing just at the surface, it isn't long enough for that rain to refreeze. So it'll freeze right as it hits the surface and cause those hazardous travel conditions. If it had a bit more time to fall throughout that below freezing air, then we would be experiencing more of that sleet. And of course, if it had really the majority of the atmosphere to fall below freezing, then that is where we'd be experiencing snow. So that is the first of many weather whys of why we experienced a specific weather event this semester.